and she just wanted to learn how to play hymns for a church.
Mm-hmm.
And that was really interesting for me because I had to sort of figure out how to teach her theory really quickly, and it made me understand things in a totally different way. And I was like trying to teach her what a scale is, and didn't even know how to go about teaching what a scale is. You know, how do you define? It just seems so natural to me now that I.
That's so great.
That was really a really good experience for me. Um, and I don't think I did a very good job with it, but I learned a lot. I hope she learned something.
Well, first of all, it's very unlikely you would do a bad job.
Oh, okay.
But but yeah, you're going to get so much out of every lesson you
Yeah.
give, even if you don't give a lot of lessons. Every one you give, you're going to be learning so much about yourself
Mm-hmm.
and how to put into alternative forms things you understand intuitively and so forth, so
Yeah.
that you can then take a look at a new piece and say, "Oh, I see. It's that, and it's that, and it's that."
Yeah.
And I know how to do that intuitively. So now that I've identified what that and that is using the rational part of my brain, I can just do those things.
Yeah.